Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nonka. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, that despite his challenge, Mondli goes all out to nail an enemy of the police. Sbu Missile continue. Lily secret lava life continue while Kapsile get not so excited news. Tuesday. Mondli is determined to find Coco and Lily is prepared to help him out. Kwanda declares his feelings to Nonka, but she make it clear she is not interested. Lily found it harder to come clean to Madonge about her sexuality. Wednesday. Nkunzi and Mondli from unlikely alliance and work together to found Coco. Madonge is lived when she found out about Lily's sexuality. Hleziphi is irritated when Nonka questioned her about kwanda. Thursday. Coco recused mission present dead surprise. A popular radio show kickstar Lily living nightmare while Sbo push onward with his escaping plan. Friday, Mondli get realized check from Nkunzi. Lily storms out of the house after confrontation with Madonge. Hleziphi discover that Nonka chases Wanda out. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.